Right. So children, in this practical, what we are going to do, I hope that you have turned to the page number 16. Okay? Right. So here children, in this experiment, we are going to identify acids, bases and neutral substances using shoe flower extract. Right. Here children, we need to have this shoe flower. We need to use this shoe flower. Okay? Pokuruvadeka, right? Okay, not the shoe flower that we use to dissect, right? Can you remember we cut a shoe flower during our first lessons, right? So we have to use shoe flower like this. Meකට kiyanne sinhalen pokuruvada, right? Okay, so children, using this shoe flower extract, children, how we can prepare shoe flower extract, right? This is my shoe flower extract. Okay, children. Can you see my shoe flower extract? Okay. So you can see that is in red color, not red, just like magenta, right? Here, how we can prepare this shoe flower extract, right here, like this. I'm first of all remove out all the petals of this flower, right? Petals of this flower, and then I'm going to crush it, right? Crush it using mortar and pestle, right? And then I'm going to put it into a boiling water tub, or maybe you can boil it after putting this shoe flower into a aluminium container, and then you can heat it, right? So after removing all the debris, we can get the shoe flower extract, right? Shoe flower extract. Wadamal වලින් නිස්සාරණය කරගත්තු මදමල් පෙති වලින් නිස්සාරණය කරගත්තු ද්‍රාවණයක් මේක. Okay children, so then shoe flower extract, that's why we are telling like that. Okay children, here I told you කොහොමද අපි ඒක හදාගන්නේ කියලා. මේ flower එකේ petals අරගෙන crush කරලා, we just crush it using mortar and pestle, and then we just boiled using hot water, or else you can put this flower into water bath and then you can heat it up. Okay, thereafter, after removing all the debris, I have prepared this shoe flower extract. Okay, so this is observed in red in color. Okay, right. Okay.
Teacher, is that useful for us?
Sorry? We can use it for arts? Yes. Some cases we can use it for arts also, right? To color up some arts likewise. Okay? Right. So then children, this is shoe flower extract, right? Don't look at these extract. මේවා දිහා බලන්න එපා දැනට. Okay? Right. So I'm keep it aside these things. Right. Okay. So here children, now here in your book or your textbook, right, they have asked us to have this vinegar and lime water, right? Vinegar, lime water, right? And we need to have soapy water, ash dissolved water. Here I have not prepared. Common salt solution, water and lemon juice, right? We are going to collect all these solutions, right? Vinegar, lime water, soapy water, common salt solution, and normal water and lemon juice. Okay, children? Right. So here, children, I'm going to first of all put soapy water, right? On the balana, mama soapy water dan hadanne, right? For this small beaker, right? Okay. Okay, I have previously prepared these things. Soap water. This is soap water, right? Okay, right. So thereafter, I'm going to get lime water. Okay, lime water. This is lime water, children. Lime water. I hope that you can clearly observe it, right? Lime water. and then soapy water. Yeah, soapy water I taken, yes. And then vinegar. Vinegar. All right. And then common salt solution. Common salt. Common salt solution. All right. And then lemon juice, let's get lime juice or lemon juice. I have used here lime juice, lime juice. All right, children. Okay. So here I have not used ash dissolved water, right? And I am using as a neutral substance, right? Water, right? I am using water as neutral substance, right? Okay. So here this is okay, right. Okay. Here children, this is, you can see that soap water, right? This is lime water, hunudiyara, right? This is vinegar, right? This is salt solution, okay? And this is lime juice, okay? And this is water, right? Normal water. Okay, children? Right. Now, I have prepared now. Right. Okay. I have prepared all these solutions. Okay. Now, I am going to get this dropper. I am going to get this dropper, and then this is, this is shue flower extract. This is shue flower extract. Meka thamai mage shue flower extract එක, right? Here this is shue flower extract. Now I am going to open up this stopper. This is cork stopper. Kira labba kiyanne මේවට තමයි. Cork stopper. Right? Okay. Using a dropper, I am going to get small amount of shue flower extract. Right? This is shue flower extract. Using a dropper, I am going to get shue flower extract into a dropper. Now you can see in my dropper, this includes shue flower extract, right? Okay. Now let's see what is the color. What is the color changing according to the shue flower extract, right? Now this is here soap water. This is soap water. First of all, we'll put it into normal water, right? Normal water. Now I am adding it into a normal water. Children, can you see any change? When you add it into a normal water, can you see any change?
No.
No, children, right? Okay. So then we'll add it into small amount of lime water. Right. Now this is lime juice, children. This is lime juice. Lime juice. Okay. Now I am adding small amount of shue flower extract. Children, what is the color?
Pink.
Yes, bit
Pink.
of pink, right? Yes, pink color. Okay, children. So this is lime juice. Lime juice contains acids, right? Okay, so then it change into pink color, right? You can see this shue flower extract in a bit of purplish red. But when we are adding it to an acid, you can see that it converts into a pink color, right? Okay. Right. So the next one, salt solution, right? Salt solution. Let's reduce up to some extent. Right. Salt solution. Have a look whether we can see any change or not. Right. Now once again I'm going to get shoe flower extract. Right. Okay. And then I'm going to add it. Okay. Can you see any color change?
A little.
Can you see any color change?
No.
No, right? No, any color change. Okay, right. Okay. So the next one, I am going to add it into vinegar, right? Vinegar. So let's have a look. Where are the vinegar? Right, okay. We'll add it a certain amount into a vinegar solution, right? Here this is vinegar. I hope that you can see it, vinegar, and then I am going to add it. What is the color change?
Pink.
Once again,
Pink.
yes, light pink, right? Yes, bit of light pink. Let's see. Okay, what is the color now? The previous
Pink.
color is coming, right? Okay. Like this now?
Yes.
Yes, right? Okay. Yes. So children, now you can identify what will happen with this. මොකද වෙන්නේ මේකත් එක්ක කියලා. හරි අපි බලමු. We'll see with lime water. Children, lime water I have explained it. Lime water is not lime juice. That is not lime juice, right? Okay. Right. Lime water means hunu diyara, right? Not kunu diyara, hunu diyara. That means lime water. Okay, now let's have a look what will happen when we apply certain amount of shoe flower extract. This is the dropper and then I am going to get it drop-wise manner, right? Now I am getting it and then I am going to add it into lime water. Okay, so what happened to the color?
It becomes light green.
Yes, children, definitely. What is this? Right? Very nice green color, ne? Right? Okay. Right? You can show magic using these solutions for your friends. Right? Okay. Now, children, this is soap water. This is soap water. Okay? Now, I am going to reduce up to some extent. Right, okay. So this is children's soapy water and then I am going to add shoe flower extract into this. Right, this is soap water. Okay, right. Okay, let's add furthermore. So what happened to the color, children?
Nothing happens.
Nothing happens.
Light yellow.
Have a look.
Green.
Yes, children, green color. Right, green color.
But how
Okay.
teacher?
Soap water. Right? Okay, children. So, now, what you observed by these solutions, right? Okay, this is soap water, this is lime water, and this is here vinegar, and this is salt solution, and this is lime juice, and this is water, right? Okay, right. So children, what you observed with the shoe flower extract, here vinegar and then lime juice showed pink color, right? Vinegar and lime juice showed pink color, right? Here you can see, right? Pink color. Okay, children. Here, children, what is the reason for this pink color? With the shoe flower extract, these acids, you know, these are sour in taste. Vinegar and lime juice are sour in taste, right? So, these substances showed pink color, light pink in color with shoe flower extract. Okay, children. So, that means what, children? Okay, so children, these are acidic. Because of that, it changed the color with shoe flower extract. Right. Now, children, we'll keep it aside. Right. So, children, what about this? What about this? Right? These are green in color. These are soap water and lime water. You know, these are bitter in taste. These are basic, right? These are basic. These are bases, right? Because of that, children, with this shoe flower extract, it showed the color change into pale green in color, right? Okay. So, children, that is also considered as bases. Children, what happened to these things? Ane, nothing happens for these two, right? This one is salt solution. This one is water. This one is water. This one is salt solution, right? So, children, nothing happened. Why? Both are neutral
Neutral
substances.
substance.
Yes, right. I hope that it was crystal clear to all of you, right? Okay.